We're making super easy chicken Alfredo today. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Sometimes it just happens this way. It's late and you need something fast and delicious to eat. What's for dinner?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? So you look in the mess that is your pantry and you try to find the quickest item that seems feasible. Like these handy Knorr side dishes. That'll do. So, I love to cook things homemade, but there's not always time for it. So here's what you do. You've got these handy side dishes in a bag. These are from Knorr, Lipton, whatever. Broccoli Alfredo. You could use regular, but broccoli's what we had. Here's my pan. It's a little bit larger than what I need. I had a little incident with my other pan. I'm going to make both packages because most people like to eat this pretty good, and you might as well have some leftovers. Also, what's left of that chicken from that handy hen that I cooked on the live view, for 2 of these packages, it says you'll need 3 cups of water, 1 cup milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, I sat this in the microwave for a couple of minutes just to speed things along. You'll be amazed, though, and shocked, butter floats. Pour it in your pan, heat it up till it's boiling, and then you pour it in. What could be easier? And you just pour in your 2 packages. It's just noodles with the sauce powder. Here's number 2. And you just stir it in. I don't know if you can see that. You can see a little. But it's boiling. I mean, if you can't boil, you need more help than I can give. Sometimes I do. So you let this boil for about 7 minutes or until the pasta is as tender as you like it. You don't need to cover it. Some things you do, but not this one. I've even turned my heat halfway. It's on 5 out of 10. While that's boiling, I'm going to get my chicken ready. Now, you can cut it, you can season it however you want to. I'm just kind of roughly breaking it up. I mean, it's pretty much ready based on how I pulled it off the chicken. There's really not much to do here, but if you do the juicy baked chicken breast, then you can cut it up, shred it. It's whatever's easiest. It's whatever's easiest and whatever you like. And yes, I just had a whoopsie. Be sure to stir your noodles about every minute. Maybe every 30 seconds. Because you don't want them to stick. I've been stirring and I turned it down, to halfway. And I've still had a little bit of stick action going. So, see, you can just set your flat wooden spoon on top there. Okay, now a warning. Well, first of all, 7 minutes was not enough. It was a little too al dente for me. Al dente means different things to different people, but to me it means hard. I like to shoot you straight. If you're a pasta snob, it may mean slightly firm, but to me, it's hard. Anyway, so 8 minutes was perfect. But, back to my warning. What you see is not exactly what you get with boxed meals and mixes, because they are what they are. But when you first get through, it's awfully soupy. Now this has been sitting about a minute or so and it's starting to thicken up, but I just wanted to warn you, when you get through, it's liable to be soupy, but be sure and check to make sure that it is tender to your liking. And also, I kept turning down and turning down my heat because it seemed like it was boiling too hard. And I had to stir pretty constantly to keep it from sticking, and it still did. So, stand right over it. 7 minutes is not a lot of time. Okay, here's my seasoned meat, chicken that is. Put it right in and stir it up. You can put as little or as much chicken in as you want. Now it's time to get the window dressing. You can either take your pot or pan right to the table, set it on some hot pads or whatever, and serve it from there, or you can get fancy. I just love to have glass so that you can see things. You just put it right in. And you just kind of spread it out, make it look nice. And that's it. You're done. Look at that. That's yummy. At any rate, this is a family favorite, whether it's in a restaurant or at home, made in 10 minutes. So, give it a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Of course I like to make homemade things when I can, but if it's 10 o'clock at night, I'm not going to start measuring things out by hand and start cooking, because that can take too long. Use a little some frozen breadsticks that you've cooked, of course, and you got it. Get a little side salad, nice dessert, some of that Southern iced tea, go back and watch the video, and there you go. Well, if you like this quick meal idea, which is not a recipe, but a quick meal idea, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with this quick meal and how you added it, modified it, changed it, whatever, or what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everybody needs help. Sometimes quick help, even me. I'm going to make both pack. Over here in my handy bag, I'm going to make you will need a total of 3 cups milk here. At any rate, this is a checking my audio here.